Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rename your Govee Smart Table Lamp 2S on the Govee Home app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and rename your table lamp. Maybe you left it to something default, but you want to go ahead and give it a better name so you know which table lamp that is. How do you actually go ahead and rename it? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Govee Home app. Next, click on your table lamp, which you want to go ahead and rename. Then, click on the gear icon on the top right-hand corner. Afterwards, click on where it says device name, and then this is where you can go ahead and change the device name. So if we name this my device, then click on done. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and rename your Govee Smart Table Lamp 2S on the Govee Home app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.